everyone, I'm Alex and this is Mike, and we're here today to do some experiments with some oranges.
We're going to be Mythbusters. We're going to try to make fire from an orange, and then we're going to try to make a candle from an orange.
So stick around and find out what happens next. Okay, so for today's experiment, what we're going to do is we're going to try and start a fire using this orange, this rock, and a dry stick. I watched a video on YouTube where a man took an orange and cut a hole in the top, and after he cut a hole in the top, he placed a rock on the inside of the orange, like so. You want to get just enough out of there just to get the rock in there. And after you cut the hole about like that, you want to stick the rock in there and try and keep the rock as dry as possible. You want to try and get it completely inside of the orange. So it looks like that. After you do that, take the stick and you place it on top, just like in the old Stone Ages when they used to start a fire using two sticks and rubbing together. You put the stick on top of the rock and you twist it like you're starting friction. Well, I think it's pretty plain to see that we have busted the myth that you can start a fire using an orange, a rock, and a stick. This one ain't true.
Hey everyone, our second test today, we're going to try to make a candle out of an orange. So here's what you need. You need one orange, you need a knife, some olive oil, and a lighter. Alright, so here's what you do. You take your orange and you want to cut very carefully down the equator. You don't want to go all the way through if you can help it. Just try to go right along that equator there. Try to get everything to line up. Now what you want to do is you want to be very careful when you are taking this orange apart, because the middle part of the orange is actually what is going to become your wick. So let's see how this goes here. Basically, you want it to look something just like this. Take your rind, get my hands wiped off here, and you pour a little bit of the olive oil here, and as you're pouring, make sure you pour it over your wick right there. Get some and pour it on there, and then fill it up just a little bit. Let it soak down in there. Now this may take just a couple of moments to actually light. See what happens here. They said it could take up to about 30 seconds, but after it gets lit, it should stay lit. Well, me and Alex sat here and tried for a few moments, and unfortunately, I don't know if you can see it smoking here, but yeah, it just would not light. I may not have did it exactly right, but for some reason, this guy just is not going to be a candle. So, as far as me and Alex are concerned, you can't make fire out of an orange, and evidently you can't light an orange to make a candle. So that's we busted those myths apparently. Thanks.